What are you doing awake? I think the girls might be back. It's my girls!
No.
What happened? Did you get a little bit muddy? We're leaving the beautiful town of Lakes Entrance, Victoria. We're heading to a little place called Chinaman's Creek, a little bit further south. This has been a really beautiful stay. Water Wheels Tavern or something. We came here to plug in to escape the heat because we had some absolute, they were just hot days. We're talking like 40 degrees Australian and about 105 degrees American. So we plugged in for 15 bucks a night here and went to the tavern at the end of the day after swimming and all kinds of things, and got a meal and a beverage, and they were just real nice folk here. But we must push on. 2 days here was good. Let's see what the day brings us. What do you think?
Sounds good.
Sounds good.
Sounds good.
And before we leave, I saw a tap, so we must go get some water. Very important, the old water. She keeps us going. Make sure I don't clip any trees in the reversing of this process. Goodbye, sweet, sweet town of Lakes Entrance.
It is water wheel.
Water wheel, water wheel. And the Water Wheel Tavern, you have been delightful to us. Now for the open road again.
I'm giving you a night call to tell you how I feel. I'm gonna drive you through the night, down the hill. I'm gonna tell you something you don't want to hear. I'm gonna show you where it's done, but have no fear. There's something inside you, it's hard to explain.
Here we are, folks, right on the river at Chinaman's Creek. Max 36 hours. Wow, this really is a very bare spot. It's a little bit too bare, but it's pretty interesting that they've got these little rest area spots. And this is our little spot at Chinaman's Creek, Victoria. Got a little toilet set up there, which is good. It's a nice flushable toilet. There's my sexy wife. And there's our almost level motorhome out here in the Victorian bush right on a creek. Let's see what the children think. Are you crawling? Are you crawling? Yes, you are, looking very... Yeah, oh, grapes. Delicious. Mummy got some supplies. Might go for a bit of a walk on the lake, river. Check out Chinaman's Creek. And really got to move that motorhome into a level position. This is the thing. There's a thing going on at the moment. Our old 1986 motorhome has one of the first ever Electrolux 3-way fridges, and it works great on electric, but I have tried everything to get it to run really cold on gas, and it has not been working. I've taken it to 2 separate guys to try and get it fixed, where they blow air through the jets, air through the little gas regulator. They check, make sure the flue is all clean, and it hasn't fixed it. So for about 1,200 bucks we can get a new fridge. So it's been a little bit of a bummer, but for an old van like that, I'm gonna give that fridge a rest and say, well done, old girl, you've done well. So we'll see what this new fridge has in store for us. Goodbye, old girl, be safe while we explore the river of Chinaman's Creek.
Let's go see all the boats.
Ooh, look at the pretty. Oh, this looks gorgeous.
Meatball.
Yeah, do you like it? Wonder if I could do some fishing here. This is really cool. Chinaman's Creek. I just read a little blurb on the side here that said that there was a Chinese community here that did a lot of fishing, and they had markets through the area and would smoke the fish so that it could be transported throughout the land. I don't know where that means, and it didn't have any kind of, it didn't have an age. It didn't have a date of reference, so I don't know what that is all about.
Somewhere, baby, it's a part of me, apart from me. You're laying waste to Halloween. You're in Milwaukee off your feet. And once I knew I was not magnificent. Straight above the highway, take it back and sympathize. And I can see for miles, miles, miles. Through the lake, it burnt away the hallway. It's where we learn to celebrate. Automatic bought the years it took for me.
My Lucy Lou, it wouldn't be a visit to a local area without checking out the bakery, right?
Definitely.
Barnsdale
It's a
Bakery
must.
House. Let's see what you got for us. It's a given that a bakery is going to be the cheapest, tastiest, most effective stop in an area. So you got to do it. Here we go.
Yeah,
That's
because
it, my
has to
boy.
be
Sleep
here.
tight. Chicken chili roll, chili pie, custard tart, plain pie, party pie. Yum! You finished your pie, young lady, so you can have some custard flippin'.
Do you think these are the real deal?
They're not egg.
They're not egg?
They're the powder custard version, but they'll do the trick. Are you happy spectating? Come look, Lyric. Look at this. No, this way. Look at this big slide. Look at that. That is a beauty. We've got dual swinging here, ladies and gentlemen. Dual swinging.
I never thought I'd see both my babies swinging at the same time.
Not for ages yet, anyway. Whee!
I'll have to take Caleb down the slide.
And after much waiting and much hanging in the one area, here she is, the new fridge. Let's get her in here, swap this old sucker out that's been pumping away for 30 years, and get this brand newie in and see what she's like. This is an interesting scenario. This guy does motorhome and caravan repairs. He's right out in the middle of flipping nowhere.
Here, baby.
That is what I like to see. Oh, just missed. And again.
Too hard. Hold it like this. Hold it facing me. There you go. Yeah!
Yes!
Yay!
Great catch!
Woo!
While I'm in the process of trying to get rid of this old fridge, let me tell you, it has not been an easy process because these fridges are so stinking tight.
Put your hand in it like that.
Please come out very easily, please. Please come out easily, please. No. Yes. Look at this hole.
There. Now you can hold
A
it like that.
dirty, great big hole.
Ready?
Oh, dearie me. Look at that. What a great little access panel.
Hey, I got it. I got it.
She fits. The new fridge fits. How do you feel?
I feel amazing.
Oh my goodness. Look at this. New fridge. Look at it all. It looks so like beautiful. I've got to recommend this guy Jono. John from, I'm going to put it down below. This guy is such a freaking legend. Oh my gosh. You know what I'm sick of in life? There are so many people that want to kind of like unintentionally rip you off. Our fridge might be out of action, but I tell you what isn't. Our barbecue. We call these kanga bangers. Kangaroo sausages. And what are you doing, Mummy?
Just figuring out what we're gonna eat with the sausages. Scrounging up some scraps.
That sounds like
Avocado,
my
baked,
girl.
Baked beans.
What are you guys doing up here? What has happened to
Well,
you?
Kayla's turning into an ice cream cone, as you can see, via the lovely Lyric.
Lyric, what have you done to your brother?
We're just trying to kill some time.
And just like that, we got a brand new fridge. Thanks to our mate John here. We appreciate it, buddy.
No worries.
Thank you for all the love and support
Yeah.
Yeah,
not
thank
a
you so
problem.
much for letting us stay here too.
and letting us.
Oh, that's all right.
And
Stay
letting us,
tonight, but you want to get down the track.
Yeah, we want to
letting-
keep moving.